Ooh, child, it's been a minute. Okay, so question: can you create a painting by doing an abstract painting by pouring? Answer is yes. So last year, when I first started really digging into the paint pouring world, um, I kind of got bored fairly kind of in the middle of the time span that I've been doing this, of doing the traditional pours, and I love them. They're great. Some people are really great at that craft, um, but I'm the type of chick that I move my furniture around every month. At least I used to until I got older. Now I can't do that. But yeah, I just I like to switch it up, and so last year I was like, I wonder if I could try something different because I was all about trying to be different from everybody else. And so I came up with this concept of abstract pouring, um, controlled pouring. Um, I had posted a picture on the Pouring Your Heart Out Facebook group page, right? And it was this. It was this painting, right? And everybody was like, how did you do that? How did you get it so controlled? Well, I explained, but I know people probably really didn't understand, what I was trying to say. Uh, Sorry guys, it's almost a year later that I'm getting to this video, but this is in the true sense of the word, actually literally pouring paint onto the canvas, but not disturbing it, as far as moving the canvas around. These don't require movement. And so how I made these was I literally poured out the paint on the canvas how I wanted it, and I made these funky, these little funky designs by using tools, paper towels, those stir sticks, whatever basically I could find. Now this is metallic paint. These to me seem to come out better with metallic when I first started, and then I discovered you don't have to always use metallic, but I made about 5 of these. This is another one I did, and I did a bunch of them in different colors, and I actually sell these as prints on Fine Art America because to me they make these nice little background, phone cover, um, even pillows, um, type situations going on. I actually I sell prints on Fine Art America, but I actually sell my own prints. This one hangs in my house, in my children's bathroom, um, because these are the colors that are in the bathroom. And so I got it professionally framed, took it to Hobby Lobby. But the prints that I sell on my website, these are almost like I can't really explain it. The paper is really thick, but it's almost silky like. It never, you know how poster can sometimes stick to the glass because it's been sitting in there too long? These will never do that. The quality of these are really great, and so that's why I haven't really sold those two. They're on the website. I finally decided to just try to sell them, but I even have 30 by 40s that look exactly like that small one. I painted it, I recreated it because I had done it so many times. It was quite easier to do. And so if you like those kind of paintings, that's the type of video this is. Um, Except with this particular painting, I wanted to know, can you recreate an abstract painting that you like by doing a simple paint pour? Everybody can't paint with brushes. Um, I like to paint with brushes. I'm handy dandy with them, but I really wanted to do it with pouring because it's a little less tedious. And so this is the inspiration that I got from Pinterest. And I'm gonna show you pictures of what I created at the end. They're eerily similar, even though it wasn't intentional. And I did do some different techniques to it to make it as different as possible. Hence the metallic spray that you see kind of splattered onto this art piece. It came out really nice. It is a 15 by 30. That's my thing now. They're just way easier to ship. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Take a look at my website, see if you like any art. I also sell candles, so take a look at those too. And like I always say, have a blessed day, have a blessed week, have a blessed month, and have a blessed year. Until next time, guys. Okay, so my base coat is going to be a pearl white. Then I have my other colors that I will list in the description box below. But for now, let's just get started.
I wonder where my heart is, 'cause no matter what you do, you're stuck in a maze. 'Cause my heart is in the wild.